to perform a disc diffusion or Kirby-Bauer plate reading on a 90 or 100 millimeter plate. From the main menu, select Testing Center, then select New Specimen Test or Batch Specimen Test. We'll pick New Specimen Test, then enter the test information. I'll type in a specimen number, 123. Additional test information can be added below. You can also customize this window in the test information screen found in the Setup Center. That's another training video to watch. On the right side of the screen, if you know the organism, choose that from either the common list that you've created or from a more extensive list, including gram-negative, gram-positive. So I'll just pick from my common list, E. coli. Then you will select a drug panel. A drug panel is set up by the customer. You can set up any number of drug panels in any type of group. You can name the drug panel whatever you want. I recommend watching the drug panel setup videos specifically for disc diffusion. So I have some examples that I have created here. I'll pick my 90 millimeter E. coli, place the plate in the drawer on top of the black adapter ring, then close the drawer, select Read AST plate. You'll notice that the plate is automatically read on screen. All the zone diameters are shown. If you disagree with any zone diameter, you can click inside and then make an adjustment by making it larger and smaller. You can look at different views of the plate. On the top left are the different view options, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These buttons or these view options may look slightly different based on your software version. Depending if you're using the disk locator function, which automatically locates the position and the disk codes, those will be shown on screen. If you don't use the disk locator function, you have to put the plate in the drawer in the same position every time. So there are two options. Again, I recommend watching the training videos for more information about those. When you're done confirming the plate and the zone sizes, go to View Results on the top right. The drugs will be listed on screen. This particular drug panel has 6 drugs or 6 discs. The zone diameter is shown on screen. The SIR interpretation is shown as well. If you want to look at the individual interpretive guideline for each drug, you can click on the drugs, and then on the top of the screen, the guidelines will be listed. If there's any expert messages that were triggered, it would be listed here. These can be viewed either on the top or on the bottom of the screen. If you want to go back and look at the plate image again, you can select Plate tab or Test Information screen or back to the test results. To continue to the next test, select Next Test on the top or Main Menu. All the information, including the plate image, test results, expert messages, will be automatically saved.